Okay, I want to record this again as he's gonna open up the 4 windows at the same time. Oh, gotta open all 4. That's fine. When it is one at a time. Yeah, there you go. Now you can close it. Oh my God, this one here did not go. Oh shoot. Now the same problem happened as before. Okay, open all the way down, all the way down. And this was the original problem. When you close it, yep, this one here did not go. So we have the same problem as before. That's the regulator. Oh, the other one too? Oh my God. Now do it again and let's see if okay, now close it again and let's see if if 4 would open, would close. Now 2 of them are not closing it. That's not right. It's supposed to be all 4. That's another problem. Do it halfway. Open halfway through it. Just halfway. Okay, now stop and then go up. That's when the problem happened here. See, it's now do it again halfway through it, and let's prove it again. Go up. This one comes in first, and that bites over here. The other one is fine. Let's see the other one. Yeah, this one here is perfectly fine. The rubber is inside. Okay, do it. Open again halfway, and now go up. Yeah, it pinched over there. Now go all the way down. All the way down, like when I normally open the roof, and I now close it. Let's see if they're both. Yep, this one have the same problem. The other one went fine, and this one here is a problem. So the regulator on this one here always has. Oh my God, this is crazy. Open all 4 again. Yeah, but he using the 4. Yeah, now let's do one more test. Close it. Oh, that one did not go. This one came. Oh God. Okay, so this is the problem, and after a week and a half, you still don't have this issue resolved.